Hi, it's Brian Newman with the Spotlight of Business Owner Show, and today we're thrilled to have Ken and Linda from Jerry's Mobile Auto Maintenance. So, who is Jerry?
Jerry's my grandfather. The company was founded under his name, and he taught me everything I know about automotive.
Oh, cool, cool. Well, Ken, can you let people know basically who you are, what you do, and how can they get in touch with you?
Yes, we're Ken and Linda. We're the owner operators of Jerry's Mobile Auto Maintenance. It's a family and veteran-owned company. I'm a veteran myself. My grandfather was also a veteran from the Navy.
Oh,
Um,
wow.
we are a company that provides basic automotive interval service needs. We take care of your oil changes, your brakes, your fluids, any small repairs, which are usually just normal wear items that are easy to get to. We come out to you and we provide the convenience of coming to your home, work, or play field so that you don't miss a single beat of your day. It's amazing when we have the customers that try it for the first time and they're sold. They're like, I didn't even know that this was a thing. So we come out and we change their lives, and they absolutely love it.
That is so nice. I'm telling you, I don't know how many hours I've spent over the years driving to like a dealership, waiting, then
Yeah,
finding out that I need two new tires. So like half my day is spent, you know what I
yeah.
mean, doing that and then driving home. You guys make it so easy. So what's the best way that they can sign up for your services?
They could give us a call or send us a text at 623-670-1481 or visit us online, www.jerrysmobileautomaints.com. And we're also on Facebook.
Oh, great. And they go all over the valley. They are on the west side, but they go all over, not to Tucson. I
Yeah,
understand that that's too
that's
far,
a little
but
too sound.
pretty much all over the valley. So get in touch with them today. They got a fabulous business. They can help you save a lot of time and money. So thanks you guys so much for being here. It's good to see you.
You
You
too.
too.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.